Following is a process for field testing a low-pressure pilot-operated 9300 series relief valve for positive pressure. Safety moment, make sure the proper PPE is worn before performing the following. Confirm set pressure so that the correct pressure gauge is on hand for the pressure range of the unit that you will be testing. Valve being demonstrated has a set pressure of 4.3 psig. Before proceeding, make sure that the inlet isolation valve between the inlet flange and the main valve body to the tank is shut off to isolate the valve from the system. You may have one of two different types of field test connections. One is a three-way valve, which is the design installed on the valve being demonstrated. One side of the three-way will be tubed to the main valve inlet sense port. The other port will be open to atmosphere. The port open will be where you connect your field test equipment to. The other design will be a hand valve with a round check valve connected to the bottom of the hand valve, and the inlet sense line will be connected to the round one-way check valve, which is then tubed to the inlet sense port of the main valve body. The open port on the back side of the hand valve is where your field test equipment will be connected. Open the hand valve by turning the T-handle on the bonnet until it is fully open. Same method for testing noted using a three-way valve will apply to this design also. Before proceeding further, install your fitting and hose to the three-way ball valve. Have your bleed valve closed on your test setup. This is due to when you switch the handle on the three-way valve to close off the inlet sense side, so as the closed port is now open. Any gas or system fluid that might be trapped in the dome cannot be vented to atmosphere. And if any pressure is trapped, your field test gauge will increase. The handle of the three-way has flow arrows and come with a lockout device so that the handle cannot be turned during normal operation or opened by accident. Switch the handle to the open field test port. Open the nitrogen bottle, making sure before the nitrogen bottle open that the hand valve to be used to feed the pressure to the field test connection is fully closed. Remove the tube that goes from the pilot exhaust to the main valve outlet. The tube connection to the pilot exhaust below the lower case can be left attached or removed. We are showing the tube attached so we can connect a hose to the end of the tube to detect bubbles in the water bottle that is being used to detect leakage. Any other device, such as a cap or some other type of device, can be used to detect leakage from the pilot exhaust. Start applying pressure using the supply valve to the pilot field test port. Pressure should be increased at a slow ramp rate. Pressure gauge should start to increase. Caution, do not supply pressure quickly or you will overshoot the set pressure. Increase pressure slowly until there's a steady stream of bubbles in the water bottle. The set pressure will be within 10% of the set pressure once the bubbles are detected. Shut off your supply pressure at this point. Leaving it open will increase pressure above the actual set pressure. Close off the nitrogen bottle. Then switch the three-way valve to close off the field test port, which the equipment is installed on, so that now the inlet sense line is active. Once the three-way has been switched, clean off any trapped gas in your equipment by opening the bleed valve on the equipment. Then remove your hose and fitting. Reconnect your pilot exhaust tube to the main valve outlet. Once connected, open the inlet isolation valve very slowly without time so the valve can charge the dome area of the main valve, and the valve is now back in service.